So engineer होते हुए भी यार the job is very risky and it's very risk prone. You know the kind of facility you're dealing with. I mean थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे होके they might
हाँ,
lead to a
है,
huge disaster. So आपके
है,
सामने
शिप
have you seen any human errors that might have led
वो
to?
ह्यूमन एरर्स हैपन ऑल द टाइम. Wherever there are humans, errors will be there.
Yeah.
And that is why the checks and balances are in the system. Like if you realize that, so I'll give you a simple example. Suppose आप राउंड लेने जा रहे हो रात को 2 बजे. ओके, बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ होता है कि सपोज सेलिंग भी हो रही है या नहीं भी हो रही है तो शिप में कंटिन्यूअसली हर 2 घंटे राउंड्स आप लेते रहते हो. तो आप 2 बजे राउंड लेने जा रहे हो और अगर आपको कहीं ऊपर से झांक के आपने नीचे देखा और अगर लगा कि वहां यार वो पानी दिख रहा है. Alright, suppose it's a dry space.
Right.
It's a dry space. Okay, but you suddenly realize there is water there. Alright, you see water. So then you know for sure that there is some flooding happening. So you need to act accordingly. Alright, or if you see that suppose आप बैठे हो और आपको कुछ स्मेल आई कि कुछ जल रहा है. So the two biggest जिसको कहते हैं कि वॉरशिप के लिए 2 सबसे बड़ी चीजें जो हैं वो एक आग है और एक फायर एंड फ्लडिंग. Because both the things can sink the ship or a submarine or whatever it is. So you got to be extra cautious. किसी बंदे ने सपोज आपका एक बंदा है और रात को सपोज उसका 12 बजे राउंड था, नींद में गया नहीं, नीचे झांका नहीं, ऐसे देख के चला आया. आप 2 बजे गए, आपने पूरा नीचे गए तो so you need to, that's why the checks and balances. But things happen, accidents happen. There are times when there have been major accidents which have happened in other warships. But I think I don't know. What can I say about it? There are times when the ships are very old also. कई ships हमारे बहुत पुराने हैं तो क्या होता है कि
that आपसे हो गया होगा and you realize यार shit मतलब
नहीं, fiasco तो सबसे होते हैं, but like I said, checks and balances are there in the system. But never ever a major thing. Like what I'm trying to say is that let's say there is a ship which is 40 years old.
Right.
Okay, and we've had instances of warship sinking, in the bad sea. अब suppose मौसम क्या होता है कि let's say a ship is old years and बहुत खराब मौसम है, बहुत खराब मतलब वो जो होता है ना बोला मतलब बिल्कुल ही तोड़ फोड़ के. अब उसमें क्या है कि पुराना जहाज ना, so that sea state 5, 6, 7 like which is like completely rips you apart. अब उस स्टेट में अगर कोई शिप में हल में छेद हो गया, पुराना जहाज है यार, nobody's fault really, it's like human body, अब आप कोई 90 साल का आदमी बाहर चला गया, फिसल के गिर गया और चोट लग गई तो it's not can't call it a human error, it's his life. So likewise अगर शिप गया और वो कोई होल हो गया and the sea is so rough that the water starts gushing in very quickly, then so
मेरे को पर्सनली बहुत डर लगता है with huge bodies of water, they seem so massive and they seem so empowering. आप it feels real nervous when you look at that huge body.
I've never felt very nervous ever on a warship. I feel nervous when flying, but ship में मुझे कभी I was very confident of the ships I served in, so never really worried.
Major water bodies really give me a huge paranoia. No, abhi sure. You guys were into some. Have you dealt with any technical stuff like sonar, radar, and have you involved yourself?
So उसमें electrical officers होते हैं हमारे.
Okay.
So we have a branch of engineers like me who is in charge of the engines, the air conditioning, diesel generators, supply systems, pani, tel, bijli, matlab all that stuff, air conditioning, refrigeration.
Okay.
And then there is a department called electrical department and the weapons department, which is responsible for sonars.
So totally different.
Radars. Yeah. They have different. Yeah. There's a completely different branch, and it's most of our work is pretty much a need to know basis for one. And then I don't go and get involved with कि रडार में क्या हो रहा है. मेरा काम है जनरेटर चलना है, बिजली आनी है, ठीक है ना. अगर बिजली नहीं आ रही है तो देन इट्स माय प्रॉब्लम. तो जनरेटर चलना है, बिजली वहां तक पहुंचनी है. अगर वो चल नहीं रहा है, वोल्टेज ठीक नहीं आ रही है, वो फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, माय प्रॉब्लम. आई नीड टू सॉर्ट दैट आउट. बट बियॉन्ड दैट, वंस आई एम गिविंग हिम पावर सप्लाई कि भाई देखिए बिजली तेरे पॉइंट पे आ रही है, बराबर है, स्टेडी है, आगे तेरी जिम्मेदारी. And we don't even have the time to look into किसी और का डिपार्टमेंट क्या हो रहा है. No time.
Because I thought कि maybe थोड़ी सी trainings होती होंगी. Were there any trainings जो आप बाहर जाके करते हैं या बाहर से teams आती हैं to collaborate, like joint military exercises होती हैं? Have you been a part of any of those?
Yeah. I was a part of the thing, but उसमें military exercises में मेरा कोई role नहीं है as an engineer. Okay. Because it will be like you've seen that, like, when you hear about Russian, USS, American ships
I don't know
coming,
which mechanical get together, technical get together hota hoga maybe.
most of it happens.
I'm not
It's a different
sure
ball to win.
how does
No,
that.
no, that's it. That keeps happening. Conferences and other things keep happening. That's a different thing. But when exercises happen, it's primarily more to do with the executive branch, who are the guys who are on the bridge, like the captain, navigating officer, and all that, right? So then there are exercises in the sense of maneuvering exercises. Then you fire at some object, something will be fired, and everybody will fire, and it's more like a, what do I say? It's like more like maneuvering, and I have some things like that, multiple, which is, again, like I said, my job is to be in the engine room and ensure that the engines are running and the gensets are running, and it's their job on top to do all those things.
कभी शिप किसी अनजान वेसल के आसपास फटकी है? Has it ever happened that you might have somebody might have crossed in the borders? Nothing.
No, like I said, engineers, engine room.
Still, you will come to know a little bit कि कोई
Not really. वैसे तो आप नहीं, ऐसे तो आप बाहर जाते हो तो समुद्र में, like we were once in a, we were doing this thing when this 9/11 had happened. So my ship was sent off to, we were doing all that patrolling. तो वहाँ तो पूरी दुनिया के vessels थे. There was Canadian warships, there were American, there were UK, there were Italian, there were, I mean, the biggest of the world. I've seen all these USS Nimitz and other, which are the nuclear propelled war, aircraft carriers,
Right.
steam past next to us, and you see all those hundreds of helicopters and Chinooks and pata nahi kya unke jo hain wo sab, and
Right.
so we've gone past a lot of. You see that, it's a natural thing. International waters में तो दिख ही जाते हैं.
So, अभी कौन सी best चीज that you're still carrying out from your experience in the Navy that is there in your heart? The best part about it.
So stand-up comedy, also, as simple as it appears, it's not easy, and I think it's something that needs a lot of discipline. It needs a lot of discipline. So I think that is what I carry from the armed forces, that discipline and punctuality and multiple other things which are there. So I think that's something I carry along.